Today our topics discussion about the peritoneum. Um, we're going to discuss about the peritoneum. What is peritoneum? Okay, and relation with different organs. Okay, actually peritoneum is a serous membrane. Okay, serous membrane. Okay, which cover or lining the abdominal cavity. Simply, okay, this is a abdominal cavity. This is a peritoneum. Two types of peritoneum we have. Okay, two types: parietal and vestral peritoneum. Okay, parietal means covering or lining the walls of abdomen, and vestra means organ. It means covering or lining the abdomen, organs. Okay, actual peritoneums, I told, is a serous membranes which lining the abdominal cavity, and they also have special ligaments which we holding the organ in the place. Okay, also there we have mesentery, which I told some mesentery organ like jejunum. Okay, and also we have in peritoneum like relation with different organ. Okay, we will going to continue to discuss about the peritoneum relation with different organ. Okay, then we have three types of relations of peritoneum with organs. Three types of first we can say retroperitoneal relation. This is about the relation. Okay, relation with retroperitoneal, mesoperitoneal, third we have intraperitoneal relation. Okay, retroperitoneal means covers the organ only from front side. Okay, mesoperitoneal means covers the organs from three sides. Okay, and intraperitoneal means covering the organs from all sides. Okay, now we will going to continue this example of each relations, like retroperitoneal relations, which organ we have which covering by retroperitoneal, which organ we have mesoperitoneal, and which organ we have intraperitoneal. Okay, first we will going to contain retroperitoneal organ example. Okay, which covering only from the front side. Okay, for example organs we have kidney, adrenal gland. Of course, adrenal gland is located on upper pole of a kidney. Okay, if it's like our example is kidney is covering by retroperitoneal, of course adrenal gland also covered by retroperitoneals. Okay, then we have duodenum, mostly part of duodenum. Okay, abdominal aorta, inferior vena cava, and pancreas. Okay, this is the retroperitoneal organ. Okay, second we have mesoperitoneal organ. Okay, example we have ascending colon, ascending colon, descending colon, descending colon, and middle part of rectum. Middle part of rectum. Okay. Third we have intraperitoneal, which covering from the whole side. Intraperitoneal organs. Example, first we have stomach, then we have transverse colon, sigmoid colon, okay, then we have jejunum, ileum because this is a mesenteric organ, ileum, and spleen and liver. And also here we have ureter because kidney, and to be connection with kidney we have ureter. Okay, these are the retroperitoneal organs, which covered by only from the front side. These are the mesoperitoneal organs, which are covered from the three side. And these are the intraperitoneal organs, which are covered from the four-sided. Okay, or from all-sided or four-sided. Okay, this is the peritoneum, which two types of peritoneum: vestral and parietal peritoneum. Parietal is covering the lining the abdominal walls, and vestral means organs, which covering the organs. And then organs, peritoneums, we have three relations: retroperitoneal, mesoperitoneal, and intraperitoneal. And I already give you example. This is a short concept about the peritoneum relation with organs. Okay, thank you for